You have your 401k set up and you are getting the full employer match. That is a significant first step toward financial security. Many people stop there, assuming their retirement planning is complete. However, a workplace account is only one part of the strategy. There is a second retirement account that you open yourself at a brokerage of your choice, independent of your employer. It is called a Roth IRA. Think of investing as a choice between two taxing options. You can pay tax on the small seeds you plant today or on the massive harvest you gather in the future. The Roth IRA is the specific tool that allows you to tax the seed. By paying that tax now, you protect your largest future assets from government reach. This diagram shows how a traditional 401k functions. You plant the seed tax-free today, which feels good now, but the government takes a heavy cut of the fully grown harvest when you eventually withdraw it. The Roth IRA uses the opposite mechanic. You contribute money that has already been taxed at your current income level, essentially paying a small toll on the seed before it goes into the ground. Because that tax was paid up front, the resulting growth is entirely untouched. When you retire, you keep the entire harvest, and the government takes nothing. Dealing with a small tax bill today is the only way to guarantee you own 100% of your future compound growth. To manage your investment money effectively, you should follow a specific order of operations. Step 1 is your 401k, but only up to the employer match. This is the highest guaranteed return you can find, so prioritize it first. Step 2 is to max out your Roth IRA. For most people, the annual limit is $7,000, or $8,000 if you are 50 or older. Keep in mind that high earners face an income threshold that eventually limits their ability to contribute directly to these accounts. If you still have funds to invest after that, Step 3 is to return to your 401k to reach the annual limit, followed by Step 4, a taxable brokerage account. Completing just the first two steps consistently over a 30-year career is mathematically enough to build a 7-figure nest egg, regardless of whether you reach the later steps. Let's look at the math for a 25-year-old contributing about $500 a month to a Roth IRA. If we assume a 7% average annual return sustained over a 40-year period, this chart shows the long-term result. By age 65, that monthly contribution grows to over $1,200,000. Notice the contrast. You contributed $240,000 out of pocket. The rest, nearly $1 million, is pure tax-free growth. Because of the way the Roth IRA is structured, that manageable monthly habit results in $1 million of untaxable wealth that is legally yours to keep. It is important to remember that a Roth IRA is a container for your money. You still need to select the actual investments that will live inside that container. For most people, the most effective choices are low-cost index funds or a target date fund. Since you get to keep every dollar produced inside this account, this is where your best growing investments should live. The action plan is simple. Open the account, choose a broad index fund, and leave it for 4 decades. Building wealth requires action today over a complex strategy. Decide to open your account now and let the math do the heavy lifting.